Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You should start right now by checking the phone model and One UI version so you know menu names. This speeds the steps. Unlock the phone, then open Settings and go straight to Wallpaper and Style or Lock Screen. Once there, find Live Wallpapers or Lock Screen type. That reveals the active live wallpaper. Tap the Live Wallpaper entry to view options. You're doing this to replace or disable the animated asset, because live wallpapers use more battery and can cause lag on some Samsung phones. Once you see the live wallpaper controls, choose Replace or Set Wallpaper and pick a static photo from gallery or a built-in option to immediately remove animation. If the live wallpaper is tied to a system app, go to Settings, Apps, find that app, then force stop or disable it. Make sure you understand disabling system components can affect features. If a third-party wallpaper won't uninstall, reboot into safe mode and remove the app there, because safe mode prevents third-party services from blocking uninstall. Once you set a static wallpaper, check the lock screen to confirm the live effect is gone, and then reboot the phone so system services fully apply the change. If the animation persists, clear cache and data for wallpaper services or the specific wallpaper app in Settings apps. This removes stored settings that re-enable the effect. If problems continue, use safe mode to isolate apps, uninstall the culprit, or as a last resort reset settings. Make sure to back up important configurations before resetting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.